Sometimes you want to create your own canvas size when you're making an image in Procreate. To do that, simply tap the plus sign as if you're making a new canvas. Then next to the word new canvas, there's another plus sign. Tap that, and you will get this window to pop up. Where it says width and height, you enter your width and height. Right now it's set to pixels. In the lower left-hand corner, you can change it to inches, centimeters, and millimeters. It will tell you, as you can see, if it's too large to make. I'm going to put it in inches right now. So maybe I want to do 12 by 12 inches. DPI is how many dots per inch. The higher the DPI, the higher quality the image will be. You might notice the brushes move a little slower. You can also zoom in further without losing quality. The lower the DPI, the lower quality image you'll have. But keep in mind, the bigger the canvas and the bigger the DPI, the fewer layers you'll have. So you'll see if I lower this to maybe 150, I get a lot more layers in the maximum number of layers. So if you use a lot of layers, keep an eye on that layer setting as you adjust the size of your canvas. And then up top here, where it says Untitled Canvas, I can tap that, and I can type a name for it, hit create, and then if I go back to my gallery, when I hit plus in the list of canvases, you'll see the one you just created, so you can reuse it over and over and over again. If you want to delete a custom canvas size, just slide it to the left like you would if it was a layer, hit delete. You could also hit edit and change the size. You can also rearrange the order of your canvases. If there's one you use often, you want to put it at the top, you can do that. One other thing that will affect the number of layers and the quality of canvas, the limit on the size of canvas you can use, will be your iPad. Depending on the age of your iPad, the processor of the iPad, if it's an iPad Pro, an iPad Air, an iPad Mini, that will limit the amount of the size of the canvas you can create. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for liking, subscribing, ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.